I N N U N kone G both of us kon dang ro both of us kon dang ro he Jen, or you can say dol amo Jen, or you can say dol amo he dol amo or Jen. E and she dol amo kene nyamo dol amo kene nyamo he and she dol amo kene nyamo they both ken dang ro they both ken dang ro the man would the woman shake the child got a family jicheng a family jicheng my family jichengda my family jishengda my family is here jishengda ka gwaseme my family is here jishengda ka gwaseme I melode ni hen I hen I N U hen kone G I N U hen kone G both of us kon dang ro both of us kon dang ro he Jen or you can say they learn dolamo he lodeni dolamo ki michi wejen he and she dolamo kene nyamo and she dolamo kene nyamo they both ken dang ro the man would the woman shake the child got a family jicheng ke jedwar my family jichengda my family is here jishengda ka gwaseme mi jiram jidit gorno jin bi subscribe gwatame ko bi ngini tin kono gwat bi kan chwa mala chukaya bi ataka mal